Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, whatever it is, whatever time you are working. We're going to show you today how to use the online tool of the 10 frame. So this is going to be fun. You get to actually be the teacher and you get to create what the 10 frames that you want. Okay, so if you have dice, you could roll the dice and then you could put it in your 10 frame. If you want another 10 frame, you just click that. Oh, now you can roll 2 dice and you can put your number in here. If you want to be really fancy, you can click this button here and it will turn them on their side, because we know that 10 frames doesn't matter which way it goes, it's still 10. I'm going to flip it back to here. So what you can do is, if you have dice, you can roll the dice, or if you have a grown-up next to you, they can give you a number through 20 and then you need to make it in your 10 frame. So all you have to do is, you have a choice. You have red and you have yellow. All you got to do is just move them over wherever you want. And the fun thing about 10 frames is that it doesn't have to be in a row, right? It could go like that. So if I had 4, I could show 4 like this, or I could show 4 like this, or I could show 4 like this, or I could show 4 like this. But I do need to keep them in that 10 frame unless my number is bigger than 10. Then I'll be using both 10 frames. So what you could also do is, like, see how I move them back when I'm done, is I could use the yellow if I want. Whoops. I could use the yellow if I wanted to. Okay, so that is just a quick way to use your 10 frames. Have fun playing.